Here's how to set your Canva design to landscape mode. There are two ways to do this, depending on whether you have Canva Pro or the free version. If you have Canva Pro, open your design, click Resize, then swap the dimensions so the width is larger than the height. For example, set the size to 1920 by 1080 and click Resize to convert your design to landscape. If you're using the free version, copy the elements from your current design, then return to the Canva homepage in a new tab. Click Create New, select Custom Size, and enter your preferred landscape dimensions, such as 1920 by 1080, making sure the width is greater than the height. Select Create to open a new landscape canvas, then paste the copied elements into the new project. You can reposition or resize them if needed to fit the wider layout. Once everything is in place, your design will be in landscape mode and ready to edit or export. That's all for this video. Thanks.